Good morning student. In previous video we have completed up to question number 3rd from exercise 5.1. In today's video I am going to explain the fourth question. Fourth question is given the following table gives the height of 50 students of class 8 in school. See, in first column it is given, in first row height it is given, height in centimeter 145, 150, 155, 160 and 165. Number of students are given, that is the frequency. Height of 145, number of students are 6, 150 that 10, then 11, 12 and 15. Draw a bar graph to represent the above data. This is the information, this is the data is given about the height of the student and the number of the student. For that here we have to construct the bar graph. To draw the bar graph we use the graph paper. In that first draw the horizontal line, that is the x-axis, and on the left hand side one vertical line which intersect at the point, this is the origin. Okay, this is the point O, this is y-axis. Okay, then according to, now see, on x-axis you represent the height. Height is 145 centimeter, 150, 155, 160, 165. Take 1 centimeter distance between this column. Okay, then next height in number of student, that is the frequency. This is very important. Now in that you have to find out the greatest number or greatest score. It is 15 there. According to that here we have to take the scale on the y-axis. Okay, here I take on y-axis 1 centimeter. Maximum score is what? 15. If I take the scale of 1, then up to 15 centimeter I have to go there. Okay, therefore here I take the scale of 2 student. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to what? 2 student. Therefore at 1 centimeter here I write 2, then 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. Clear? This represent the what? Number of student on the y-axis. On x-axis height. Now see, 145. Height of the student is 145. Number of students are 6. Therefore here we use 1 centimeter. This is the width of this bar. Bar is what? Vertical rectangle. Okay, 145 centimeter height of the students, number of students are 6. Therefore height of this bar is equal to up to 6. 2, 4 and 6. Clear? Then next here we keep the gap of 1 centimeter. Okay, then takes for 150 centimeter height, number of students are 10. Therefore here we draw the bar of height 10. It is up to 10. See, okay, in graph paper you clearly see where is the 10, where is the 8. Okay, like that. Then next 155 height, it is given 11, that is 10 and 12. It is between 10 and 12. This is the height of this bar up to 11 for 155 centimeter height. Then for 160, 12 students are there, then height of this bar is equal to 12, up to 12. Clear? And then for 165 height of the bar is 15, that is between 14 and the 16. Clear? In this way here we construct the bar graph for the given data. Okay, I hope you understand how to construct it. Important thing, x-axis, y-axis according to the frequency. Okay, here we take the scale on y-axis. That is very important, that you have to mention on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to what? 2 students, and according to the number of student and the height, here we take the height of the bar. Okay, see the next question. Next question is given, for the following data gives the maximum and minimum temperature in degree Celsius of the cities on the particular day. Draw a double bar graph to represent the data. Here we have to represent the data. We have to construct what? Double bar graph. Now cities are given Singapore, Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai and Bengaluru. Okay, maximum temperature and minimum temperature it is given. For this information or the data, here we have to draw the double bar graph. Again same method, first we draw the horizontal line, that is x-axis, then vertical line, this is y-axis. Okay, then on x-axis we represent the city. Clear? Now after 1 centimeter, okay, for Singapore, maximum temperature and minimum temperature it is given. Okay, if we see the score, maximum temperature that is 15, 32, 40, 35, 26. Minimum temperature for Singapore, Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai and Bangalore it is given 9, 27, 28, 28 and 20. It is given in this table. Okay, first what we have to do, you have to find out the maximum score. What is the maximum score here? That is 40 number. If we take the scale of 1, then 40 centimeter we required on the y-axis. Therefore, according to the maximum score, we take the scale on y-axis. Therefore, scale here I write on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. Why degree Celsius? Because it is temperature. It is given in degree Celsius. Okay. Therefore, here I represent on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. Here I write 1 centimeter 5, then 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Because last number it is given up to 40. Therefore, here I take up to 45. Okay, you can take 50 also here if you want. Okay. Then this represent the what? Temperature. In degree Celsius you can mention here degree Celsius. Okay. Then now for Singapore city. Okay, listen. Maximum temperature and minimum temperature. Here I represent the maximum temperature by this shade and the minimum temperature by this symbol. Okay. Then to draw the double bar graph for Singapore city. Okay. Here I write Singapore. Okay. Singapore. Maximum temperature is given 15. Okay. Therefore, here I draw a bar of height 15. It is up to 15. Clear? This represent the what? Maximum temperature. Okay. Then for same city, minimum temperature is what? 9. Now where is 9? There is 5 and there is 10. Then where we are? Then where is the 9 on this scale? If here we take 1 centimeter is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. So first you find out the value of 1 millimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Therefore 1 millimeter is equal to cap. This is equal to what? 5 upon 10. This is 0.5. Understood? This means 1 millimeter represent the 0.5 degrees Celsius. That is half degree Celsius we can say. Okay. Now to represent the 9. This is the mark of 10. Below 9, below 10, here we take 2 millimeter. 2 millimeter represent the what? 1 degree Celsius, because 1 millimeter represent the what? 0.5 or a half degree Celsius. Okay. Therefore, below 10, here we take 2 mm. 2 mm below 10, this represent the 9. This is the height of this bar. Okay. Represent the minimum temperature for the Singapore. Okay. And it is joined. It is joined to the this bar. This represent the maximum temperature and minimum temperature of the Singapore. Okay. Take the correct height of the bar according to scale. Then similarly for the next city, that is Mumbai given, that is 32 and 27. 32 is the maximum. Again here we keep the distance of 1 centimeter. Okay. Then draw the bar for the maximum temperature. It is given 32. 30 we know that up to 30 it is there. Then 32 represent करना. If you have to represent 32, then for 32 you have to go how many? 4 millimeter above the 32. 1 millimeter represent 0.5, 2 millimeter 1. Okay, then 4 millimeter represent what? 2 degrees Celsius. Okay, therefore 30 plus 2, that is 32. Here we get 1, 2, 3, 4 millimeter. After that here we get height of the bar is 32 degree Celsius. Okay, this is the maximum temperature of the Mumbai. Similarly for the minimum temperature of Mumbai, that is 27. For 27, this is 25. then above 25 2 degrees Celsius. For 2 degrees Celsius 4 millimeter you have to go. Okay, then here we take the height of 27 and this represented by this cross line, minimum temperature of the Mumbai. Okay, in this way you have to draw the double bar for the each city like Delhi, Chennai and Bangalore. In this way you have to complete this graph. Okay student, I hope you understand both the graph, that is the bar graph to represent the data and this is the double bar graph. Important thing is what? Scale. Scale is very important and according to scale you have to take the height of the bar. Understood? This is all for today student. Thank you very much.